Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will try to learn about analog output BD FBS 2A 1D in Fatek PLC. This FBS 2A 1D is basically two digital analog inputs and one digital analog output is available. I will show you in my camera. This is the PLC and this is one analog input. This is the analog output and this is the analog input. I will give the some voltage of this analog output because of this linear is have voltage rating just 12 volt. So we give the voltage to the linear from this analog output and we read the voltage at the linear of this analog input. So I am using the channel 2. This is the yellow wire you can see. This is the input of this linear and this is the ground. This is red color is ground wire. Basically this is little wrong, but already this hardware is connected, and this is the plus voltage. This is the green wire as per shown. So let's go to the software. WinPro software you have to be open, and here we will just take the backup of our PLC, which program will be inside the PLC that will be backed up. PLC is in stop condition. We will put in run condition, and after we can see our program. This program in previous video I show you this is about VFD control we made. This D4076 is input data register, output data register. This I will show you 1 minute. IO numbering, and you can see it here. FBS2A 1D, which is connected with our PLC, and this is the data registers of our PLC. Input registers IR means input register D4072 and D4073, and one output register D4076. So we are using this D4076 for the just only voltage of our, this is for linear. So this one D1 we multiply made for this value, basically 275 we multiply for this drive voltage 0 to 10 volt, but now we are using for this one to the linear. So this is 2750 volts. Now bits are generating to this linear. This is minimum, I think so, 3 volts look like. And after this is multiplication, division command we used for this for the drive, but now we are using for the output voltage. This is 2748 bits are at our linear. So what we will do, this is the 4073, you can see it here. This is the second data register, and also this is 4073, you can see we are using at the second channel. This is first channel is D4072, and this is the second channel we are using, which is used for 4073. So in this picture we will take it here, and I will show you first how we use this linear value works. When we move over this linear, this is the linear, and as we will move our this value will be changed. See, now this our linear is totally any full. You can use both way, in opening condition or you can using the closing condition. You can see our linear is now completely opened, but when it's full opened, after it will be go at 0. You can see this is the now 300, 400. Now our linear is full open, means this is the at the 0. And as we move back this our linear, can see this is the full length. And how we can use in the program this linear. For example, you are using it any machine of the uh, any machine where you like to be length counting. So this linear is basically 1 meter length, for example, or 1 feet, or you are in or centimeter. For example, 100 we are thinking about this one. This linear is 100 So 100 how we can use in the program. This is D4073. This is total bits are 2748 bits at the for 100 and which formula we will use. We will use it here. Stop the PLC first, and here we will use the compare command. Sorry, first division command we will use. div when you write, you can use the division command, and here we can write this 2748 bits are our total bits. And how much we have to be divide in 100 how can go to the calculator, CLU calculator, and here this total bits 2748 bits you can divide by 100 sorry, divide by 100 and how much answer coming, means 27. 27 is equal with your 1 and you will write it here 27, and after take it any data register, for example D300 we will choose and click it OK, and this will be show your original length of your So we download to the program to the PLC, and again we will check. Now you see this is our 100 is exactly showing, because this is totally in stop condition. If you again, I will show you my camera, and here you can see this. We will take it up little. Yeah, here we will take, and now this we will take it upside. See, as I move my linear, your value will be changed. Sorry, this is what's the problem. This is 2000. 2700. Yeah, this value is coming at our D40. We make it little wrong. We have to be write it here. Data register running performance condition. D40 we have to be right. D40, and again download to the PLC, and now we will check. See, now our original are running. This is when complete opened this one. Our in camera I will show you. Here we will take this camera, no problem. And you see, if we open our full linear, after it will be go at 0, right? 39, 37, 36, 34. Now if you put back, it will be go at the 100 mm. This will be go at 100 mm. So this is how can used in the program. Now your original mm are here running. And if you use for example in previous videos already I explained about you that compare commands you how can use in the program. CMP when you write comparison, and here you can write the for example value D300 when equal with the D400 and click it OK, and after you need to be any output on for example Y6 and here Y5 and download to the PLC. And as per you can see now your value is 100 mm complete your Y5 is on, but D400 you have to be set the value for example how much you need status, go to the status page and here you have to be set for example D400 and how much for example I need 50 mm after my 50 mm after I need to be on and off my linear relay. As 50 mm will be completed 53, 52, 51, see as 50 mm will be completed after my relay will be on and off. And in camera again I will show you, can see this one in camera. Now our 50 mm are completed, our Y6 is on, and as our now value will be full at 100 mm, so Y6 will be closed and Y5 will be on, and as your 50 mm will be completed, here you like to stop, your relay will be stopped. This is Y5 is now closed. After your linear is working but your motor will be stopped because of your Y6 is now off. Can see this is equal command, also this is 3 commands, and if less than, equal, greater than and less than. Also you can put it here one any other relay Y4 or Y3 which you like to be define in your hardware. After that will be also work. Now you can see that the 50, now your Y6 is on, and that is the less this will be. I will put it here one more Y3 we will be put, or Y4 we can put, no problem. Control W, and you can see now less than 50 your Y4 is on, and as now it will be continue on, and as it's greater than 50 this will be your Y6 will be on equal, and when greater than 50 your Y5 will be on. So this way you can control your length of your machine. It's very simple and very easy method to control the length of any machine. I hope you will be understand about this linear control. If you not understand any about the linear control, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.